Welcome to Tiffany Talks. Today I am gonna take you guys to London Eye. Although I've lived in this country for so long, I have not been to the London Eye. So let's go and be a tourist.
The majority of the workforce that built this bridge was female. Good going, ladies. It connects to the Savoy Hotel on the left.
So did you like it?
Yes, we had a good view from right at the top.
But he's saying it's not worth it for the money.
Yeah,
So we paid total 55. So
it's a bit overhyped.
It's nice though for the
I
view.
think just once.
So yeah, we'll see you guys in our next vlog. Bye! So our overall experience was really good. It was just it's a bit pricey for what it is because it's just very gloomy. It's just a gloomy city in general. It's barely sunny, so all you're gonna see is just clouds and just darkness. If you're a tourist, you're gonna love it because they do like voiceovers and stuff, as you saw on the video. But as a local, I found it normal. It's okay, like the view is amazing from the top, but it's quite slow. You need like the whole day for it. But other than that, it's really good. Out of all the activities you could do in London, this is actually worth it, so do come and check it out. Please comment below if you did like this type of content and if you need more vlogs like this, and also don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys soon in another video. Bye.